Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a numbered list in Google Docs. So to start with, open up your document where you want to create the numbered list. Click on the part of the page where you want the list. There are a few ways you can do this. So the easiest way is just to start typing in the number of your list, followed by a full stop or a period, then space, and it will turn into a list and you can start adding bits to your list. Another way of doing this is by using the toolbar at the top. So you have a numbered list tool. So I can click on there and my list will be started. So I can start creating my shopping list if this is what it is. What you can also do is create subsections like nests under parts of your list. So you do this by clicking on the tab button and you can see it comes in a little bit further. So this is nesting under my number 2 and I can write stuff on there and write other stuff on there. When I'm happy with that, I can just press backspace and keep going with the numbers on my list. The other options you have as well is you can choose from different types of lists. So instead of just clicking on numbered list, click on the down arrow and you can see the different options you have here. So either with numbers, Roman numerals or letters like that. So you can create different types of lists. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.